Hello, teacher.
Hello, Sarah. Good evening. Can you hear me well?
Yes.
All right, very good. So, how's everything going with you?
Mm, I'm late because I'm going to eat dinner with my mom.
It's all right. I completely understand. I appreciate it because even though that it's late, you still join. Thank you for showing up tonight in our class, Sarah. Did you had did you have a delicious dinner?
Yes.
What did you have?
Mm, is an nêm rang and nè fry nêm and đậu hũ.
Oh, that's really nice. It sounds very delicious, Sarah. Are you full now?
Yes.
Very good. Oh, by the way, where is Mai?
I don't know.
Yes, I already informed them that I was waiting. So I was actually expecting that Mai is also going to join. Probably her internet connection is not that good. That's why she couldn't join. But I hope that later before we end, she can join. Anyway, Mai and I last time started with the topic present simple and continuous. Do you still remember about present simple and present continuous, Sarah?
Yes. Mhm. Forgot it.
Do you remember, Sarah? Oh, hello, Sarah. Can you hear?
Yes.
All right. So, do you remember what is present simple and present continuous? Yes or no?
I forgot it.
Oh, hello, Sarah. I cannot hear you.
I forgot it.
Hello. Oh, you forgot. All right, then let's have a review. So when we say present simple, we use this, okay, to talk about the things that are always true. So we call it facts. Oh, Mai is already here. So listen, Mai, we're just going to review. We use present simple to talk about things that are always
Mama,
true,
mama.
just like the facts.
Yes.
Okay, what are the facts? Okay, you can actually say that um what's that, the earth is round. Oh, not that one. So you can say I wake up at 7 o'clock. So that is a fact, because yes, I would always wake up at 7 o'clock. Okay, another thing, like the earth is um the third planet in the solar system. So that is another fact. Okay, another one, the zebra's fingerprints are different from each other. Oh, each zebra's fingerprints are different from each other. So that is also a fact. So yes, we use present simple for that one. Then we also use present simple to say about something that happens regularly, just like my example earlier. I usually get I no, I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so that happens regularly. I read books every Sunday. My sister dances at the gym every Tuesday and Thursday. Okay, so those are the things that happens regularly. All right, so we use present simple for that. Do you understand, Sarah and Mai? Let me give you an example for a sentence that is a fact. Okay, so here I can say the boy make her parents proud when he when he got when he get good grades. Okay, of course, this is a fact that whenever we get good grades, we make our parents proud. Okay, so the boy makes her parents proud when he get good grades. Okay, now what about something that happens regularly? For example, Sarah, uh, Sarah eats lunch at school. This is only an example, Sarah. So yes, it happens regularly. Sarah eats lunch at school. So that is all of the sentence in here, all of the sentences are actually in present simple. Do you understand now, Sarah and Mai? Hello, do you understand now? Do you
Yes.
have question?
Yeah. No.
Okay, no question. Now, Sarah, I want you to make your own present simple sentence. What's your sentence, Sarah?
Mm, Like
What's your sentence, Sarah?
like
Yeah, make a sentence using present simple.
he was doing homework.
I was doing homework. Okay, try again. That is in present continuous tense. A past continuous tense. Try again, Sarah. Now about present simple.
Nó cứ đừng nó cứ nói tiếp diễn hả? I was ở bước in
Không, cái này là present continuous mà.
thì to be còn nói in.
Cái này là present simple.
I am
I am going to the park.
All right, that is again in present continuous tense. I am going to the park. That is a future plan. So it is present continuous tense. Okay, so let me give you an example, Sarah. You can say, I learn
Teacher, can I go to
English.
the toilet?
Okay, sure. So here, I learn English every Tuesday and Thursday. So this is actually an example of a sentence that is in present simple. Okay, now Mike, can you make a sentence using present simple tense?
I take a shower every day.
Very good. Okay. Now, let's move on with present continuous tense. So Sarah is very good at it. Okay, so in present simple tense, we actually use the base present simple. Yeah, present simple tense, we use the main verb. Okay, but in present continuous tense, we actually use a gerund, a verb that ends in ing. What are those? We have walking. Oh, let me give you an example. Gerund. So these are verbs that ends that end in ing. Just like walking, singing, dancing, eating. So all of it ends in ing. Okay, look, we have here ing, ing. So whenever the verb has ing, then that is automatically a present continuous tense. Okay? So we use it when something is happening right now or around now. Just like what is happening now? We are learning grammar. So this is actually happening at this moment and it is continuing. So look, learning. Does it end in ing? Yes. So that is in present continuous tense. Okay? Now we also have temporary situations. So situations that do not last forever. For example, right now it is raining. Tomorrow it might not rain. So today, which is raining, is just a temporary situation. Do you understand, Mai and Sarah? Hello, Mai, do you understand? Oh, I cannot hear you, Mai.
Yeah.
All right, very good. Then we also use present continuous tense in future plans. Just like Sarah's example. I'm going to the park. I'm having dinner with my family. Okay. I'm going to play with my sister. So those are future plans. All right. Okay. Now here, let's move on with this one. I want you to complete the sentences with the present simple or continuous form of the verbs in the bracket. So look, this is actually the verb. Okay, these are in main verbs. These are the base form of the verbs. So look, this I will give you an example. I
I
get
get home
home at 5 o'clock every day. Very good, Mai. So this is get. Is that in present simple or present continuous? Is that in present simple or present continuous?
Present continuous.
Present simple.
Oh.
Look, it is the base form. So this is a situation that happen regularly. So of course, it is in present simple. Now what about number two? Look, what's your answer here, Mai?
Box. Like this way.
That is right. Mom works late this week. Is this in present simple or present continuous? What's your answer? It's in present simple. Okay, now what about number three? Mine.
then he doesn't concentrate.
All right, look at Dan. He, what's your answer?
Doesn't concentrate.
He doesn't concentrate. Very good. Is that in present simple or in present continuous?
Present continuous.
Hello, Mai. Hello. Hello, Mai. Oh, there you are. Okay, so look at Dan. He doesn't concentrate. So is that present simple or present continuous? Present simple. This is still in present simple. Okay. Now what about number 4?
Do you do anything interesting?
Okay, very good. Do you
Interesting.
do anything interesting next weekend? Nice. Is that present simple or present continuous? Do you do? Do you do anything interesting next weekend? Do you do? Try again, Mai, with your answer in number 4.
Anything interesting? Net
What's your answer? Do you do? Is that your final answer? What about you, Sarah?
What?
How about you, Sarah? What is your answer in number 4?
Number 4 is uh what did you do anything?
All right. Okay. So look at this one. I will reveal to you the answer. So where are we? This is, are you doing anything interesting next weekend? Okay. So the answer is, are you doing? So is that in present simple or in present continuous tense? What's your answer?
Me?
Yes, Sarah.
Are you doing anything interesting next weekend?
Okay, that sentence, what do you call that? Present simple or present continuous?
Present continuous.
Very good. Okay, now number 5, Mai. What's your answer?
she play the guitar and piano.
Very good. Is this
Present
present
simple.
simple? Nice. Now last one, Sarah. Last one, Sarah.
Mm, He always goes swimming on Saturday.
Present simple or present continuous?
Present simple.
All right. This is present simple. So actually, it's not going. It is he always goes swimming on Saturdays because this is a situation that happened regularly. All right. So that is what those are the examples of present simple and present continuous. Do you have any questions, Sarah and Mai? I assume that you don't have any question because you are not answering. Okay, so by the way, Mai, I encourage you to join the class on time next time. All right, set the alarm clock. And if you're not busy, please join on time so that you will learn more. Okay, Mai, thank you so much for tonight. I hope you learned something and see you next time. Goodbye.